Hello friends, hope you are safe. Hereby there is a good news from Jamia Millia Islamia University. So in this video that is what we are going to see. Before going to see this video, if you haven't subscribed to Revamp Ed YouTube channel, please do subscribe to Revamp Ed YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you will get instant notifications from Revamp Ed YouTube channel. So coming to this video, Jamia Millia Islamia University, the online application has been already opened. Now what they did is they have extended the last date to fill the application. So here they are mentioning the notice. This is released on 15th April. So in view of the extension of the lockdown period and guidelines of the Ministry of Home Affairs dated 15/4/2020, the online filling of admission forms of the university including schools has been further extended till 4th May 2020. So it has been released by Controller of Examinations. So till 4th of May, if you haven't applied to Jamia Millia Islam University for the UG courses, PG courses, integrated courses, you can see that PhD, MPhil, all the courses, and then school admission also there. So if you haven't applied, then you can apply. In the description box I will give the online application link. By clicking that, do apply to Jamia Millia Islam University because the institute is in Delhi, the two connected with metro, bus, everything. And most of the UPSC aspirants were preparing from the same campus, so it will be good for you if you are joining there. Thank you.